Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to see time spent on Instagram. Maybe you want to see your time spent on your Instagram so you can manage yourself. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see your time spent on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage, and then in here you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and then from your profile page, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and then in here select Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll see how you use Instagram. Below that, you'll see Time Spent. Tap on this Time Spent. And then in here, you'll see the time spent. As you can see, we have here the 3 minutes daily average. Average time is spent per day using the Instagram app on this device in the last week. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your time spent on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your time spent on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.